Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be coming to you guys with another vlogmas. Today is Sunday, so I'm going to get a video up today for you guys. If you guys haven't noticed, my uploading schedule for right now is every Wednesday and Sunday. Hopefully I can keep doing that for you guys, but I am starting a new job soon and you guys know how that go. I'm actually about to upload my video so that it can be up by 4 o'clock today. Let me know what videos you guys want to see as well, like Christmas related videos or just videos in general. I do have a haul coming soon, so you guys don't have to worry about that. Leave me other ideas you guys want to see for vlogmas, and I will talk to you guys in a little while. Alright y'all, so we pretty much got catfish because they sent us an email for another apartment complex that I guess is in they're all owned by the same people, but it's not our building. So I'm trying to figure out why y'all would send our building group email whatever the message when the brunch is not even going to be here. I done woke up ready for some brunch. Jordan just went to go get a Zaxby's because I've been craving like their chicken sandwich for some reason. I know I'm probably gonna feel terrible after I eat it, but I just came on my period, so I truly do not care. I usually try to eat healthy and like cook and stuff like that, but I just don't care when it's that time of the month. Like I'm going to chill today because I do have to start my first day at my new job tomorrow, and I have to be up at like 8 a.m. As you guys saw in my last vlog, I finished watching that show Harlem on Amazon Prime, and when I tell y'all, that show was so freaking good. Like I mean it was only 2 seasons, I think. I don't know, I just kept playing the episodes, but it was no more than 2 seasons that was up, but I watched all of them yesterday. It was so good. They got Camille, the main character, as a Gemini in the show, so you know it's fire. So not to be biased, but it gotta be pretty dang good. But no, I really like Megan Good. All of the characters on the show, the casting is really good. It's good actors and actresses on there. So I would definitely recommend if you guys are looking for a new show. But then I started watching the Sex and the City reboot. I shouldn't have watched that yesterday. Like I said, yesterday was the first day of, Mother Nature. And I was very emotional. Like my little sister sent me this a really sweet message, and I was bawling my eyes out. Like I was crying so hard. And I'm not even a crier, but I don't know, something about it. It just really touched my heart. I started watching the Sex and the City reboot, and that shit it's only 2 episodes up right now, and when I say they sad, so that had me shedding a tear too, because that thing was sad. Like, why would they ever do that in the first 2 episodes? I'm just waiting on my Zaxby's. I'm gonna stop rambling now, and I'll talk to you guys later. Alright y'all, look where I'm at. Just got off work. It's pretty boring. I'm only here for random people, so we'll see. Hey lovies, guess what we got going on? Y'all already know the vibes. We have a haul. I was at Target, actually ran into my friends. Nice, but I didn't vlog it. I just went to Target, guys. Guess how much I spent? 20 bucks. My eyebrow brush broke, so I had to get one of these. This was like $2. It's Elf. It's a little Elf eyebrow brush. Because this is essential in my routine. Y'all see these brows? They got to be tamed, honey. Look at that. And I also got us some more toothpaste because he wasn't going to get none.
Don't say it like that.
I hope this is the right one because it be too many different toothpaste. I think this is the one we got. It's a 2-pack. Got some cotton balls because I ran out of those. What I went for, wrapping paper. So that's why I got 3 rolls. So it can like last.
Last what? Years?
At least till next year. I don't want to keep buying wrapping paper. And it's all cohesive. So
I like this.
I got this one.
Wrap myself in this. I'll wrap mine in that.
Don't tell me what to do. So I got this one that says Merry Vibes Only, which is really cute. I just liked what it said. And then, of course, once I seen this one, I had to get it, you know. That's my guy right there. It says Cheers and Scares. Ooh, they could have put something else on there, but he's cute, so cute. And this was the only one. I think this was the last one they had in the store, so it was meant to be. This one I just got as like a filler. So it's just like a candy cane metallic striped one. So when you have like multiple prints, you just want to balance it out with something simple. And I'm very proud of myself that I only got what I needed at Target.
Me too.
I'll see you guys later.
Say it.
Okay, lovies, so I am bored and I need to get a vlog done for you guys because today is Tuesday. So I always edit my vlogs on Tuesdays or in the morning on Wednesdays, but I gotta work tomorrow. So we need to get some more footage. You guys hear the noise in the background, that's my vacuum cleaner. I really want to clean my apartment. I haven't deep cleaned my apartment in a while. I like to do it like once a week, and if I'm like super busy, once every 2 weeks. My new lights came in to finish wrapping my tree, so I just want to be productive. Start in the closet, hit the bathroom, do my bedroom, and then do out there. Jordan went to go pick us up some food, so hopefully I'll work up an appetite. Hopefully I can get like a montage in for you guys, so you will see that in 3, 2, 1. better count as babies because I know it did not knock off one of my orchids. How about you pick where you want to go and then just send it to me?
Alright.
He gonna pick something dumb. Let's see what he picked, y'all. Okay, tropical smoothie. He's turning into me. All right, let's see what I want. Cause I be trying to like switch it up, but I'm probably going to get the same thing I always get. I usually get the Chipotle Chicken Club with no bacon. That's what I usually get. They got sweet potatoes? What? Yeah, I'm gonna get the Chipotle chicken with my lami blami.
What you want?
Chipotle Chicken Club, no bacon, no tomato. A smoothie I want to get because they got Christmas ones. Very berry cranberry with an edible strawberry straw. Wow.
You know they ain't got that shit here. What chest you want?
Barbecue.
The barbecue ones. Which one do you want?
Lami blami.
Chicken one?
Lami.
Of course. She want the blami lami.
I'm surprised you picked tropical smoothie.
You need to start eating tomatoes.
Why?
They're healthy.
No, they not.
Yes, they are.
No, they not. They literally don't have any nutritional value.
They do.
No, they don't.
Keep you hydrated.
I drink water. I'm about to go to the mailroom though, cause my fairy lights came.
Fairy lights.
To finish the tree. Jordan Blind Man. That's good. See if I can post my pictures. I put this picture first or the one with the pink?
I guess how you got it is cool.